Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and in this video I'm going to show you around my workshop. I haven't done that for a while. We'll have a look around, see what's going on, and see what's new here at Orange Campers. It's the beginning of October, it's already getting colder, and although saying that, the hire vans are still going out. Don't forget we do a try before you buy scheme. And within that try before you buy scheme, we've got the Scudo, the micro camper. So this one's a Vauxhall Vivaro. You can hire this van for a short break, take it away, test it, see if it works for you. And we've just had a couple of hires recently, loved it, really works well for them. Great little drive, really is. Watch your wind mirror, Jess. That's a bit tight. Let's get into the medium wheelbase. Again, you can hire this, and don't forget these mediums. I've just set it up for a customer this morning, show them how the single beds work, and how easy it is to set up and so on. But don't forget these come with, you know, hot water, heating, full lithium package on this one. You can literally go away to your heart's content, and you've got a fly net on the door, you've got the awning lights outside. So these are designed for winter. And don't stop using your camper van or thinking, oh, summer's nearly over, no point looking at camper vans. We use ours more in the winter because it's a great base vehicle. I really do love using this. I use either this or the pop-top's out on hire, but I use this or the pop-top version as my daily car. So you know how easy they are to drive, and I take the kids to school, dog out walking, you know, gets me upset when he jumps on my seats, but it's a great vehicle. You can get warm when you're out, you don't have to rush home. Not every trip has to be a holiday. Daily drives, daily use is so key in a camper van. So if you think it's just holidays, it's not. It's everyday use. Makes a camper van, just makes life that bit more enjoyable, in my opinion anyway. But let's have a look what's going on. So you can hire either of these or the pop-top version, and you can test them and see, you know, if you can survive over winter. It only gets better when the sun's shining. So see the first of a 75 Regis coming through there. So we've got a couple of pop-tops in line on the medium wheelbase. They're next in build. We've got some high tops in build, which I'll show you. But 75 Reg already. It comes down very quick. And these new Series 2 are just tremendous. Absolutely spotless. Inside, everything you can think of. Lane assist, adaptive cornering, fog lights, things like that. Full LED headlights nowadays. And reverse mirror, digital camera mirror in the Fiat now. So many extras, it's lovely. It really is. We're a beautiful van. Such high spec, lovely to drive. If you've never driven one, come and drive one of ours, test drive, and see what you think to them. Literally, such a much more modern, updated van now. And then within the workshop, we managed to secure, I don't know where we found them from, but it's like hen's teeth, a couple of short wheelbase high tops. So L1H2. They just come off a lease contract. They must be the last ones in the country. Literally, I don't think there's another one for sale in the country. So 5 metre, when I say L1H2, 5 metre high top. Very rare. So this customer's having a fixed rear bed. We'll do a bit more detail on this one. There's a few extra little tweaks on this one to make it that bit more special, and much more usable for her and what she does with her vehicle, you know. So that'll be nice, and we'll do a video on that probably end of the week or next week. So next to there we've got a medium wheelbase, and that's coming on lovely. And we're not going into too much detail in that because we've got some nice little surprises for you on the new medium wheelbase. New for 26, we've got some changes. So we've updated, you know, here we strive for perfection. We're always trying to update, and we're always making our vans better. Every time we build one, we have an idea. We try and improve what we do. So there's some new changes for 26, and there's some new options as well. There's going to be a shower option for 26 as well. So that'll be really exciting. And as you can see, there's another one in build here. Oh no, this is another short. So this customer, they were both white vehicles. This customer's had a full colour change, and it's gone with a grey, which is more associated with the new medium wheelbases, iron grey, and it looks lovely. It really does. You couldn't believe it was a white van before, you know. And this is our traditional It's not got the front seating yet, the single seat, and it's still in build. But this is our traditional layout with the rock and roll, well, the rib bed in there, 130 centimetre. It's quite hard to build that nowadays because you can't find the vehicles. But like I say, a couple of these rare ones now, really good. We've got a pop top to high top in, and so that was a pop top vehicle, and lovely van. We're not going too into it because it wants to just getting cleaned out at the minute, and it's just about finished. Do you want to have a quick nosy? Let's have a quick nosy. Look at that on the cupboards up there. There's no lights on, but hopefully you can see what a difference that makes. So we've matched all the cupboards, and the space up there, you imagine a pop top, from here down there's no more space above. Now there's endless cupboards. There's a really big cupboard at the back, and there's also a kids pull out bed. How can we fit all that in? I don't know. They are true craftsmen here, craftsmanship going on, and they do a lovely job. Here you can see a pod waiting for a micro camper. So we build all these in-house. Everything's built here in-house by our team, and if you look, they got all the Victron controllers on there, nice and neat. There is a cover what covers them from the inside, and you'll just see the fuse box. But rest assured, we only use top quality products, and it performs incredible. Let's have a look at that from the front. It's a nice colour, this one. It's the I think it's the last of this colour, because it's I would believe it's getting harder to source, this one. So we're gonna, hopefully people will choose some nice bold colours, and you'll be able to see some different options. So John's in today. We've got the woodwork team working in there. Things running off a CNC. So there's a few more vans knocking about. But always a busy day at Orange Campers. And I hope you like what you see. And if you want to see some more, check our website out for our open days. And you can see us at the Warner shows up and down the country as well. So go on the website and look for those dates. Other than that, drop us an email. Come and see us at our workshop in Rotherham. That'd be great. And don't forget to follow these videos and subscribe, and we'll keep making them.